Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, and this is me Surya Prakash. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys about the digital well-being's overview along with the parental controls which comes along inside the digital well-being. Okay, so first of all, what is digital well-being? Digital well-being is used to track your daily usage. Overall, the name says it's all. So it's going to help us in our well-being digitally. So in a mobile or any device. I don't know about the Apple users, but the Android had or has this amazing feature for the past, I guess, I don't know, 4 to 5 years I'm using this feature. So for folks who do not know about this, the digital well-being lets you track everything. Okay, this lets you track all your app usages over here, which tells you how much hours per day you're using a mobile. It tells you about your most used applications. It tells you about the notification which you received and what from which applications have you received the notifications and how many times have you unlocked your phone per day, everything. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, so along with this, digital well-being has some other unique features. So before moving on to the features, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to get daily updates of the tech related stuffs. Every day there's going to be new tech related information to you guys in our channel Protech Genius. Okay, now moving back to parental controls. Before that, I'll be showing you guys how to turn on the digital well-being if you are not familiar with it. All you have to do is that we must navigate to our settings. This is my settings page. For people, I'm using a Samsung device. What the digital well-being's interface is going to be the same for all the devices. Previously, I have used Xiaomi devices, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, all the devices, but the digital well-being is from the Google, so it's going to be the same for all the Android devices. All we have to do is that we must go search for digital well-being. If we search for digital well-being, we would get these options. Actually, digital well-being is an application from Google which is going to be pre-installed in your mobile. Okay, take a look at this. This is the application which I was speaking about. So we're gonna have few controls and options over here. Will not be going into every one of this, but I'll be showing you the important features alone. This feature helps you track your daily average screen time, etc. This is the settings feature over here, which shows you all the features. Uh, by default, this would have been turned off, but I recommend you guys turning it on, so you may get your user interface like this. If you turn it off, there'll be few changes. You guys can try it out. I hope you guys are familiar with this focus mode, bedtime mode, driving monitor, everything. It's easier for you, so just go turn on the digital well-being settings and do it. Right now we are going to focus on the parental controls. In the parental controls, all you have to do is that go click on the parental controls, click on the get started, choose who will be using the device. So yeah, first of all, what is parental controls? With parental controls, you'll be able to supervise this phone remotely with Family Link app for parents. You'll be able to keep your an eye on screen time and set limits as needed. You can control which app your children are using. In case you are a parent, this was mainly developed for this. I'll tell you a story. I had a cousin who uses 12 plus hours a day on his device. So what his mother did was that he is a school kid. Okay, so what his mother did was that she locked the games and she set the maximum screen time to, I guess, 2 to 3 hours. So more than this, he won't be able to use it, and the games are limited to 1 hour. So the rest 2 hours he may use it for his education purpose or anything. So all of that could be achieved using the parental controls. You'll be able to keep a track or an eye on your children, etc. This was mainly developed for that, but you can use this to, in case, keep an eye on your girlfriend or boyfriend, etc. So we're going to click on the get started. we'll be choosing the parent option. If you are a parent, we would need to install this. If you are a child, all you have to do is that you need two devices, one for parent and one for child. If you click on the next, you'd be shown a list of your Google accounts. I'm not going to go into that feature right now. You'd be shown a list of your Google accounts which you have in your phone, and you would have to choose the Google account uh, with your own in a Google Family group. Okay, the Google Family group would be created by installing this Family Link application. Okay, and we'd have to choose apps for this device and set filters. From your own device, set controls such as bedtime and screen time limits. That is going to be from your another device. We would have to choose the uh, you know the screen time limits, the bedtime limits. You can lock each application, etc. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want a more hands-on explanation, I guess this was simple. That's the reason why I didn't give you a hands-on explanation. But if you still prefer wanting a hands-on explanation, just leave it in the comment section and I would be happy to help you by posting another video on a hands-on experience. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. So once again, thanks for watching this video until then. Let's meet again in the next video. It's going to be tomorrow. So until then, bye.